Professor, I know how to convert whole numbers to binary, but what about those like 10.625?
Excellent question, Benny. Today we'll learn decimal point to binary conversion.
A decimal point number has two parts, the integer part and the fractional part. For 10.625, the integer part is 10, and the fraction part 625.
So we solve them separately.
First, convert the integer part using repeated division by 2.
That part I know.
10 becomes binary 1010. Now comes the fractional part. For fractions, we use repeated multiplication by 2.
Multiply by 2 instead of divide?
Exactly. Step 1, multiply 625 by 2. It becomes 1.25. We keep the integer part, which is 1.
Wow, the 1 floats like a robot!
Now take only the fractional part, 0.25. Multiply again by 2.
It becomes 0.50!
So we write 0.
Oh, I see!
Again, multiply 0.50 by 2. It becomes 1.0. So we write 1, and now the fraction becomes 0.
Wow, I get it.
Now combine both parts. 10.625 in decimal becomes 1010.101 in binary.
So decimal point numbers are easy too.
Yes, just divide for the integer part and multiply for the fraction part. Computers use binary even for decimal values like measurements, temperatures, and calculations.
Now I understand how computers think.
See you in the next lesson.